doing. Please do not mind my roughness. I am super rough because you know your girl's been going through one or two things, a lot of things lately. Actually, a lot on my plate. But anyway, I'm not gonna go without doing video for you. As in, even if I'm stressed. Nah, I love you guys way more than that. Anyway, guys, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe. As in, why are you even here? Okay, let's say you just found the page newly. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Okay, good. And now we may continue. So in today's video, I'm basically just gonna be showing you guys how I renew a wig that I've had for the past 2 years. And it's not like a top class wig. No, it's just like a normal average wig that is really good. This is the hair, and guys, when I tell you this is a very good hair, but as you guys can see, like, it is so out of it. Like, it is, guys, you see, it's a very nice hair, don't get me wrong, it's a very amazing hair, but it is out of it, very out of it. 2 years ago, after doing my ponytail, came back from a trip and then removed the ponytail. The person that removed the ponytail cut some part of my hair, so I took the hair with anger and that part of my hair and I went to put it in my bathroom cupboard. And basically this is the hair. It has been there for 2 years and this is how it looks. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I treat my wigs to make them look brand new. So stay tuned. Bye bye. The way the wig is looking alone, you know it has taken long time. So guys, I'm done detangling the hair and this is how it came out. And actually I'm really surprised. The shedding wasn't that much. Okay guys, so this is our hair. I think it was like 1 bundle or 2 bundle. I don't really remember, but I'm sure the highest this might be 2 bundle. I mean, it's been 2 years since I haven't touched it. Literally, like, as soon as I removed it, I just went to put it down, so I don't remember anything about it anymore. But this is the hair, and after 2 years of having it, guys, this was the hair I got out of it. You see that? I mean, it's not that much of a like A-class, you know, the A-class hair, right? It's not that much of it. No, it's like almost like it's a good hair. It's not the best hair, but it's a good hair. And after combing it, after 2 years with all the, being very dry, obviously entangled, and I detangled it, and this is what came off. Definitely a good hair. Definitely was worth the price. I remember it wasn't even above 500 cedis. I bought this. That wasn't even up to... It wasn't up to 100. It wasn't up to 100. When I mean 100 USD. So, yep. You see that? So, baby girl, when you gonna set? Just wanted to show you guys where I came to put the hair after removing it. And literally, it has been here for like 2 years. Yes, this is where I put the things I know it's gonna take a long time for me to use again. And basically, hold on. Oh, guys. Ooh, this is the natural hair the person cut from my hair. And I was like, oh shit, now you've made me look like a mad woman. Isn't the Pantene Smooth and Sleek shampoo it's for frizzy hair? And hold on, can you guys see properly? Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the shampoo inside the water, and this is our wig, which is gonna be put in there small because you don't want it to be tangled, guys. And you always want to wash your hair like this while rubbing your hands through it. If you do this, you spoil the hair, and we don't want to spoil that hair. So this is the water, and this is my Kantu shea butter for natural hair. This is a hydrating cream conditioner for natural hair, but we're gonna be using it on our wig, and it hydrates the hair. So let's see if it works. This is what I use to basically wash my wig, so I don't really doubt it. I'm just showing you guys. I'm just gonna be pouring that in there. I'm just gonna be putting the hair. Basically, we're coming to allow this hair to boil. Yes, boil. I'm basically gonna leave it. As you guys know, it was in there for 2 years. This hair needs some good hydration. So yeah, we're gonna leave it on there to boil for like maybe just a couple of minutes, maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and then come back and remove it and go rinse it, then dry it, and then we can continue the video. The water turned coffee color, as you guys can see. I do not know why, but yes, I'm just gonna be rinsing that for the conditioner to come out of it so we can go dry it. So yeah. Oh, now our hair feels hydrated. Oh, good. That's what I was talking about. Okay guys, so now we're outside, and this is the hair. I'm just gonna be combing it before hanging it, obviously. Guys, the hair looks like more than okay for me. I love it. Let me show you. You see, exactly, guys. You cannot tell me this is that wig earlier. Like, you see. And guys, guess what happened? Light just went off. So basically, I might not straighten this wig because light just went off. But I'll do a straightening video for you guys, how I straighten my wigs. But this is the wig, and I would say this wig is pretty amazing for the price. As you guys can see, I haven't applied anything there other than my shampoo. And you see that. You see that. Guys, okay. You see how nice this hair is. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that like button. You hear me? Hit it too. I beg, don't go like that, please. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye, my red gang. Mwah, bye.